So guys, in today's video, I am telling you how to build the index of minimum value in a Python list. So see this video start to end. If you do not see this video start to end, you have problems in your code. That's why I'm telling you, and please hit the like button, share, friends, subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to all the notification bell also. So now I don't take your long time. So let's move to the computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, now let's get started. So first of all, I'm telling you, finding the index of minimum value is a list, or you say like array, is one of the popular coding interview questions that you may get in any coding interview. Okay? Here you have to find the index of the minimum value instead of the minimum value. So if you want to learn how to find the index of the minimum value in a Python list, then this article is for you. In this article, I will take you through how to find the index of minimum value in a Python list. So let's get started. So first of all, I tell you index of minimum value in Python list. What is that? Python is a built-in function. Okay, Python has a built-in function to find a minimum value in a list. You can also define your Python function for the same, but the question here is to find the index of the minimum value, where the index of the first value is 0. So here's how you can define a Python function to find the index of a minimum value in a Python list. So now let's get started. So I am using a Visual Studio Code to write a code. So if you don't have to download it from Google. So I open my Visual Studio Code, and now when I open it my Visual Studio Code, so now let me tell you what you can do. When you open it, go onto the file and click onto the new file and make your file like the name is your file like index.py. And you are thinking why I am writing like py. Py means Python, that's why I am writing py. If you do not write py, so a Python file will be not built. So I will be create a file. So first of all, I am writing like def minimum. Then I am writing action here, then this. Then minimum index /0. Then O or 0, O. Then I am writing like here current, not O, 0 right here. Then current index /1 while current, then index again, then do like that, the len, then x. Then here you can add like if x single bracket current will be index, then do like that, then x, then this, then minimum index, then do like that. Then here I am writing like minimum index /current index. Then here I am writing like current index should be current index should be +1. Then you write like here return minimum index again. Okay. Then here you can write like here enter press, and here you do like a /bracket 23 comma 76 comma 45 comma 20 comma 70 comma 65 comma 15 commas and 54. And now here you can write like print minimum then a. When you do like that, so now then when you run it, so the output will become 6. The above function implements an algorithm to find the index of the minimum value. It assumes that the list is not empty and the items on the list are in random order. It starts by treating the first item of the list as the minimum item, and then it searches for the smaller item to the right, and then if it finds a smaller item as compared to the first, it resets the position of the minimum item. When it reaches the last item of the list, by following the same process, it returns the list. Okay. By following the same process, it returns the index of minimum item. Okay, so this is how you can find the index of minimum item in the Python list. It is one of the popular coding interview question that you may get in any coding interview. I hope you like this article on how to find the index of the minimum value using the Python programming language. Python programming language. Feel free to ask your valuable questions in the comment section below. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this class. If you enjoy, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Do not forget to all the notification bell also. And I tell you all things like why our 6 output will become and all things like that. So I hope you enjoy this class and please hit a like button and please action my Python project and Python tutorial playlist as well as. Okay, so now I meet you next class and next very amazing class, and please tell me in the comment section below when our Python series will be and so what type of series will be started. So now I do not take a long time. So let's move to the computer screen. For today, goodbye.